Before I get started, be sure to subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel by clicking right there, right there. How do you beat the back to school blues? I'm sorry, can you just look at that and cry with me because... I think the best way to fix that is some coconut shrimp, sugar snap peas, and a mango smoothie. Why don't we? This meal is so refreshing and it's gonna keep summer in your mouth well into fall. We're bringing back summer vibes because we're using such perfect flavors of summer. We can play Beach Boys if you like. And the first step to this magnificent dinner that you're going to fall in love with is the rice. I have a rice cooker. That's what I'm gonna use. If you wanna do stovetop method, you do you. That's amazing. A cup of jasmine rice. We're gonna add to that the finely minced shallot that you desperately need in your life. That's gonna add so much depth, you have no idea. Cup of water, half cup of coconut milk, lime zest, pinch of salt. Do you do that? Do you do the whole I'm gonna stir this and set it and forget it. Let's make a topping. We're gonna make a panko coconut topping. A tablespoon of coconut oil. You're just gonna add a 1/4 cup of panko, a 1/4 cup of coconut chips or flakes. We are toasting this in a skillet just to keep an eye on it because I know that if I tried to do this in the oven, it would not go well. Once we get that golden brown crunchiness, we're done. All right. We're gonna blister some sugar snap peas. You add some coconut oil to your cast iron, add your sugar snap peas, salt. Keep tossing it until they become bright green. And these look so good. Oh, they're slightly shriveled. They've got beautiful browning all over. You have seared those sugar snaps to heaven and back, and we're gonna take them out of the pan. We're gonna make our shrimp, and maybe a little bit more coconut oil, just a wee bit. Add your shrimp to the pan. Season it with salt and pepper. As it is searing on that one side, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grate some lime zest right on top, along with a couple of garlic cloves. This is gonna just transform the shrimp because this garlic's not gonna actually hit the pan just yet. It's sort of blanketing the shrimp with the lime zest. So that when you turn the shrimp for its second sear, everything will kind of come together and blister and bloom and sear, and it's so beautiful. We're actually gonna tie this recipe together with something so ultra summery, and that is a mango smoothie. We're making smoothies! It's your favorite thing in the world. We're gonna start with almond milk. Leftover coconut milk. Awesome. Peel that on down. I just need your help with this because I can't do this. Yeah, very good. Now guess what is going in? Frozen mango. Sharing is caring. I'm going to zest the last of this lime. And then, you know what, lastly, we're gonna add the ice. Can I have the ice?
Yeah.
Is it cold? Is it not too cold for your hands?
It's cold, but we just want to help you.
Well, I love that. You're such helpers. Do you want to do the laundry next and change the oil in the car?
Now you can spill the rest.
Okay, that sounds good. I have shrimp. At the very end, we serve our beautiful coconut shrimp. Top it with your panko coconut topping, and it is amazing. Oh, you didn't have to bread. You didn't have to fry. It's one of those things that just takes you to a place. It's easy to make. It's delicious. Is it so good?
Delicious.
Guys, summer is here to stay.
Cheers.
Well, at least for tonight.
There we go.
We got it.
Awesome.
Nice job.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more summer-inspired recipes, be sure to subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel.